Díagrit agus fáilte go dtí an ceacht Gaeilge aniu, seo do bliain trí go gnáthleibhéal agus tá sé turas a dó leathanach a dó a cúig a cúig. An bhecinn tú é sin? Dó a cúig a cúig. Gá chuig a cúig. Ok, so tá Cárta Poist An Ghaeltacht. Ok, so tá duine Gavin ag scríomh Cárta Poist agus tá sé sa Ghaeltacht. Ok, so task of hain lei hí mise é, so éist agus aber. Éist agus aber. Listen and say. Ok, so a glyn. So just taréis got, nuair a stop them at the end of the sentence, pause it, say it yourself, and then press play and move on. Okay, your pronunciation is going to be a big part of this. Okay, before you then answer questions. Okay, so awam agus a yad. Conas atá shiv. Tá súil a gum go bhfuil shiv I mór na sláinte. Tá an cuasa Gaeilge ghaeltacht. Tá inis go hálan. Bíonn ranganna Gaeilge a gcuin maidin ach déanamid go leor gníomhaíochtaí eile, gníomhaíochtaí freisin, tá Imríomid peilgréalach nó amáníocht gach lá. Inné thuamar ag drapadóireacht. Amárach déanamid sport isce. Tá an radharc tíre go hálan an seo. Radharc tíre, the landscape. Tá an aimsir go brá freisin. Nílim gríndóite buíochas le dia. Nílim gríndóite, I'm not sunburnt buíochas le dia, thankfully. Tá deach go hálan. Teach nua aimsire atá ann. Tá beirt eile sa seomra lum. Tá ban an tí agus fear an tí anna cinálta. Ihimid béle deas gach tróna. Táim ag dul a chola anis. Aber le gach. Aber le gach duine go raibh mé ag chur a dúrisce. Aber le gach duine. Okay, so táim ag dul a chola anis. I'm going to bed now. Say hello to everyone for me. Give everyone my wishes. Slán tamil Gavin. Okay, agus tá an seola an sin freisin. Clonny Aragon. Shrád na couple bhuí Cahar Kirky. Okay, so sin picture tá an bád sin Inis Ear. Inis Ear is an island, one of the Aran Islands, and there's a big shipwreck there. Okay, agus tá picture and sin. Okay, so sin task a hain, dainta. Okay, task a do. Okay, so let's go on to the question and we can come back to it again. So if we're hain, cá bhfuil Gavin chuirsa Gaeilge? Where is Gavin on an Irish course? Okay, does it say where he is? Okay, tá an cuasa Gaeilge go híntaach, tá inis go hálan. Okay, so there you go, inis cá bhfuil Gavin cuasa Gaeilge? Tá Gavin cuasa Gaeilge inis Okay, if we're a do. Cad a bhíonn acu maidin. What do they have in the morning? Okay, so what does he say about maidin? What do they do? If we're a tree, cad iad na sport a imríonn siad gach lá. What are the sports they play every day? If we're a car, cad a rinne siad inné. What did they do yesterday? Cúig, Cad a dhéanaí siad amórach. What will they do tomorrow? Okay, where does it say anything about amórach and what might they do? Okay, Iver sé, déan cur síos an teach. Describe the chalk house. So what does he say about the chalk? Okay, I can see it there. It's jumping off the page at me. There's a few things there. Okay, so that's Hengadi Shay. There's a little bit of an extra challenge here. Léir Hishkit. An dóí leat gur sira yas I seo. Do you think that this is a nice holiday? Céim fá, why? Tuair fá amháin le the ragra. Give one reason. Okay, you could say is matlum on ariga. I like to see. Whatever you like. Okay, it's an extra challenge. You don't have to. So that's that's task iver a do. Okay, task iver a 3. Okay, even if you decide, do you know what? I'll just do half of it, guys. You can do an eight, or you can do a recording, an oskuhu voiceover. Okay, so you've done your practice for your pronunciation. There's lots of words in there that they don't sound like they might look on the page, if that makes sense. So I'd ask you to do at least half of it, down as far as sport ishke. Okay, but I would invite you all to do the whole lot. Okay, with Shin Carcalor. So that's task a hain, Eichtugas aber. You don't have to write anything for that. Task a do, na kestana. Agus task a ver 3, os rohu, voiceover. Éisce péisce, iontoch, go nairi leat, slán